Did you know the biggest gold heist in British history was completely accidental? In 1983, 6 thieves broke into a Brink's-Mat warehouse expecting £3 million in cash. Instead, they found 3 tons of pure gold bullion worth £26 million. The crew had inside help. A security guard gave them the codes. They walked right in, but now they had a massive problem. How do you fence 3 tons of gold without getting caught? They melted it down in secret foundries across London, mixed it with copper to hide its origin, sold it piece by piece to unsuspecting dealers. The stolen gold flooded Britain's criminal underworld. Police spent decades tracking every ounce, following the money trail through shell companies and corrupt jewelers. One by one, the thieves were caught. Some were murdered by their own partners. The gold, most of it was never recovered. It's still out there, hidden in plain sight as jewelry and coins across London.